Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to take apart an HP Pavilion 550N. So this one here I got for free a while back. It's in pretty rough shape. It's missing like the old school thing, like the mini thing. And I'm actually taking this apart to make a Rust server. So I'm just going to use this as the frame. So I'll see you in the next clip. Okay, so now you're going to want to go to the back, and then there's going to be two screws in the back. They're gonna be Phillips slash, flathead. You're gonna want to take those off for the back cover to come off. See, I got my screwdriver. It's a Phillips. These aren't tight. I'll be back in a second. Okay, so now that you have the tight panel off, the first thing you're gonna do is unplug everything you can from the motherboard. See down here we have a power connector. You can unplug by just wiggling back and forth, and then I unplug the Molex next. Or this just slid out. Okay, whatever. I can set that to the side there. Then unplug your little connector. There's a little connector down there. You should just be able to just yank it out. Then there's another one to the motherboard front to the front I/O. And then next is just a little bunch of like CPU fans, and then the rear fan is right down there. I don't want to take them out. Sorry, my hands are really fat. Okay, and then next you're gonna want to take out this cord in the back. Okay, that's to this sound card that came pre-installed in mine. I don't know if it'll come like that to you. And then last but not least, you got a Molex in here. Just giving me a tough time doing this one-handed, but wiggle it back and forth and it'll come out. And then that will just pull out with it. There's the hard drive cage. So the next thing you should want to do would be take out the graphics card, okay? And then I'll just use my screwdriver. If I can fit it in there. And mine's, I think, been into before because that thing's super tight. So I'm gonna have to go with my wrench in a second and get it out. I'll see you in the next clip. Okay, so now that you've gotten that screw out, mine was a bit tougher to say. It took a wrench to get mine out, because I guess someone's been in this and tightened it down. Next, you're gonna make sure that the pin down here is opened at the bottom of the graphics card. It's down there. And then all you should have to do is wiggle it back and forth and pull the graphics card out. And then if there is a sound card in it, you're going to want to get the sound card out. And oh, I forgot this because the graphics card's in the way. There's another motherboard connector, which is going to wiggle out. And let's get this sound card out. Let's see if it's, sorry for the last one, my phone died there. I got the screw out. This should just be, with this one, you're just gonna have to pull it out. It's not, there's no like thing. You're just gonna have to wiggle it back and forth. I'd grab in the middle. And then next, that was hiding a cord, so you're gonna have to unplug the cord. It's this down here. So wiggle it back and forth out. Okay. So now that you've gotten that much out, what I would do next is go ahead and pull the RAM out. Get that away. Undo the back, and then undo these up here because the older computers have this. And just pull it out. And then for the other one, just pull it out. Okay, and then the RAM is out. Oh, that cooler is not good. Okay. The next one, I have a little sound card. I don't know if y'all will have that. But it's just held in by one tiny screw. So I'm going to get my screwdriver there, and then just unscrew it. There we go. Oh, sorry, it was covered. But yeah, I'm just gonna unscrew this little screw. Okay. And once it's unscrewed basically all the way, there you go. You pull it out, and the sound card should just fall out right out the front. There's the sound card out. Then next, what you're going to want to do turn the case to the rear. Okay. And worry about the power supply next. So now you're gonna want to just push this the bed thing. I got more power. But yeah, you're gonna want to untighten the screws. Boom. 1. 2. 3. 4. And now, technically this thing should just pull right out. You see, thing should just yoink out. Oh, never mind, I gotta... I have to pull out the motherboard first. Okay, so once you've got all your motherboard screws out, you're going to want to pull up on the CPU fan, this thing, pull up, and then pull backwards. Once you have all your screws disconnected. Oh, that one's just laying in there, hold up. Hold it. Get that one out. Okay, now that I've got all of them, all I should have to do, pull up and back, then it should come out. Boom. And now, you have your motherboard out. Okay? You have the motherboard out, but there's still one pin I did forget about, which is the main power cord, the 24 volt. You're going to want to push in here, and then wiggle it back and forth until it comes out. Use this hand. I can't do it one-handed. But yeah, just push this in and then wiggle it back and forth. And I'll see you in a second. Okay, so now we have our motherboard out. Next, the power supply. So slide it back as far as you can go, pull out. And that's easy. That's one of the easiest parts I've ever seen. The fan cable got stuck up in there, but that's gonna be all right. So now next is the fan. So what we're gonna do, I'm not actually gonna deinstall mine, but what you're gonna want to do, you want to push down on these little tabs, push down, and then push them out on all of them, and then that's how you get the fan out. And now, last case scenario, we have the CPU. So what you're gonna want to do, there's little like pull tabs on the side. You're gonna want to like pull them up. I know it might not sound right. Pull it up. So now that bracket is off. Now we got this one over here. Might feel not right, but just peel it up. It will come off. Boom. And once it's off, bend them toward you. Like, so now look. Boom. 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 Then it will literally, oh, someone did not put that on right. But yeah, then it will literally just come up. There we go. Then next you lift up on the lever. And then literally pull up on the CPU. And look, there's like a hole in this CPU. Hold up. Let me get it focused on the camera. You see it? There's like a little hole right like above the QR code. I don't know. But see, I'm going to leave the thing in the board. Because, I don't know. Just in case. and then I'm going to close it back down because I'm probably not going to be using this board anytime soon. And that includes the tutorial of how to take apart an HP Pavilion 5 something. I don't know. And thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.